Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This car needs no introduction. It's a 57 Chevy Bel Air, probably one of the most iconic cars of all time. Everybody knows a 57 Chevy when they see it. Two-door hardtop from Arizona. It's got a ZZ4 crate motor, air conditioned, 4-speed. It's got a lot of goodies going for it. Visit volocars.com. You can read all the specs, see the prices top to bottom on this car and a few hundred other collector cars. And we list the prices on each one of them. They're all for sale. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 57 Bel Air hardtop. I purchased the car right out of Arizona. Super clean underneath. They have these support braces off the floor that attaches to the frame. Those are always rusted away. These look like they're the originals in really good shape. The inner rockers are really nice and clean. The front end's all rebuilt, has disc brakes up front. It's a 4-speed transmission. It's got a custom exhaust system by Pipes. It's a stainless steel exhaust with the X pipe in the middle. So it's got a lot going on underneath. Good, clean car. It's decked out with some extra goodies. You got dual antennas. You got the door handle guards. All of this chrome and trim is all new. This is new. Paint job is real slick. It's a nice bright red, laid out real nice on a nice clean body. This trim is original. I would call it good. It's not perfect. It's not beat up. It's in good shape. Trim down the sides is nice. The mirrors look like they're new. Got a staggered set of wheels, bigger chrome wheels in back than in front. It has performance tires. The body is clean and straight. I didn't see any bubbles or issues with the body. Really nice body. Up front, all this chrome is all new. The spears are new. Headlight bezels, all been redone. And that's a new ZZ4 crate motor right from GM. The GM crate motors are great. They come with oil in them. All you do is you put it in there and you put your carburetor on it. So it's a good, reliable motor. It's got roller cam, aluminum heads, aluminum water pump. They're, I think, 355 horsepower. It's a 350 engine. This one's got a brand new carburetor, HEI ignition system, new alternator, serpentine belt system, air conditioned, brand new power brake system. The interior's been redone. The seats have been upholstered and the door panels have been upholstered in the original type theme. Similar materials to the original. Carpet's been replaced. It's got a clean trunk compartment. The sides are painted. Underneath is rock solid metal. Nice rubber mat. This is all painted up nicely. Weatherstrip is nice and soft. Has a spare. Got a really nice set of custom electronic analog gauges. They light up red. It's got the tachometer, digital message center. Also has a retro stereo that fits right in the dash. Looks like the trim across the dash is new. It has seat belts front and back. Getting back under the hood, this whole front support, radiator support is new. I don't know if that's aluminum or stainless, but that's really nice looking. It's got the matching radiator, and I think that's the condenser for the air conditioning. It has a polished overflow bottle, so that's really nice looking. It's got polished pulleys, 2 electric fans to keep it running cool. That's an upgraded electronic wiper motor too. So it's set up to drive. It's a turnkey car, which I'm about to do here in a second. Turn the key and start it so you can hear it. License plate light works. It's a nice running motor right from GM. Not rebuilt by some shop that you don't know how good their work is. That's GM. I also forgot to mention this car has only something like 800 miles on it since that motor's been put in and all this work's been done. Comes with a stack of paperwork too. It's a nice 4-speed with air, Bel Air, rust-free car. '57 Bel Air is timeless. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can help with the whole process, with the shipping, with the financing. We'll answer whatever questions we can about the car. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. I appreciate all the followers we have right now. And just keep watching. We've got a lot more to come. Thank you.